Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain Netflix series Wednesday season 1 episode 2, which is titled as Wo is the Loneliest Number. Episode 2 begins with Wednesday Addams continuing her life at Nevermore Academy, but she is more determined than ever to uncover the truth about the mysterious monster attack in the forest that killed Rowan. The episode opens with Wednesday telling the sheriff that Rowan was killed by a monster. However, to her shock, Rowan suddenly reappears at school alive and unharmed, as if nothing had happened. This leaves Wednesday very confused because she saw him die with her own eyes. Rowan then says he has been expelled and immediately leaves Nevermore. Wednesday is suspicious that something supernatural is covering up the truth. Despite everyone doubting her, Wednesday is determined to investigate Rowan's death. She visits the sheriff again and insists that there is a monster roaming the woods, but he dismisses her as an attention seeking teenager. Meanwhile, Wednesday discovers that Rowan's expulsion was oddly quick and covered up too smoothly. Back at school, her roommate Enid tried to get closer to her. Enid is bubbly and colorful, the opposite of Wednesday, who is dark and gloomy. Enid wants Wednesday to join in normal school activities like clubs and social events, but Wednesday prefers her solo investigation. Still, Enid's presence softens Wednesday just a little, and we begin to see their strange but growing bond. Next, Principal Weems announces the annual polka boat race, a tradition at Nevermore where students compete in teams on decorated boats. Wednesday doesn't want to participate but thinks the living hand convinces her, saying it will help her blend in. She decided to lead her team, which includes Enid and other members. Bianca is the star student and sees Wednesday as a competitor. During practice, Wednesday proves to be a clever student, showing that even though she is not the strongest, she can outthink her opponents. Meanwhile, she continues searching for clues about the monster and the Rowan. She sneaks into the Principal Weems' office and discovers that Rowan's student file is missing, another sign of cover up. The big race begins and it is full of chaos. The team row their boats across the lake while trying to sabotage each other with tricks and weapons. Bianca's team is powerful and nearly unbeatable, but Wednesday uses intelligence instead of brute force. With Enid and Things help, she manages to outsmart Bianca's team and wins the poke-up. This victory is a big moment as it earns her some respect from her classmates. Throughout the episode, Wednesday has disturbing psychic vision. These visions connect Rowan, the monster, and an old prophecy involving her. She sees glimpses of blood, death, and destruction. This terrifies her but also makes her even more determined to discover the truth. At the end of episode, Wednesday realizes Rowan's reappearance was likely an illusion, perhaps shape-shifting or magic arranged by Principal Weems. The monster is still out there, and Rowan truly is dead. She concludes that someone powerful is hiding the truth, and she promises herself that she will expose the mystery no matter what. Episode 2 shows Wednesday slowly fitting into Nevermore while sharpening her detective instincts. She wins the poke-up through clever thinking, strengthens her bond with Enid, and uncovers more about the dangerous monster and Rowan's fate. The mystery only deepens and Wednesday is now fully determined to investigate. Stay tuned for explanation of episode 3 of Wednesday. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.